and I be on my I can't really see what did I miss.
So it's the next day. It's early in the morning and it's just me here because my husband went to work. What time is it? Right now it's 9:57 and I'm taking all the decoration off of here that he put up, y'all, and he put so much sticky stuff on here. It's like, it's crazy. I don't know why he decorated this room with all this sticky stuff, because he put so much on here. Like, baby, that stuff peeled some of these people's walls. But you know what, that's with his car, not my cord. So, you know, yes, to do with me. Try it out and see like what it's giving. Y'all, my thumbnail been trying to grow, but I've been cutting it because like the growing process is like such a headache. But yes, y'all, this is how my hair looks. It still look good and stuff like that, but still at the same time, you ain't execute. Well, I meant to tell y'all with my hair too, why I had a whole track hanging in the back. Like in the back of my hair, I had a whole track hanging, so I had to glue it down. You know, so that's another reason I'm not going back to this girl no more, lady, whatever you want to call her. I'm not going back to her. But yeah, I'm just gonna head to Target, go get a couple things. I'm still on my menstrual, so I have like, I'm just like tired. I just be want to go to sleep. So y'all might not hear from me or see me start my day until tomorrow, to be honest, because after this, once I get back home, I'm gonna go lay right back down and watch Power, and that's about it. Basically, like literally, I don't have nothing to do. I don't want to do anything. I'm just fatigued. I'm already mad I had to come out today, but it's just because, you know, I have a business to run, so I had to go ship some orders out. But anyways, I'm gonna see y'all at Target, and we're gonna see like what variety of products do they have in stock. Oat milk and berry. Oh, it smells real good. And then they got coconut milk and sugar. This stink. They got macadamia milk, willow, and lavender. Those stinks. And stuff. So basically you just press it on your face. I heard Fenty came out with one too, but I gotta check it out. I heard that they got one, but I think you just gotta like pour as you go. But you see how it's already applying like the grease, oiliness. Let me see, can y'all see? You see it? So that's why I grabbed that. So I'm gonna start walking around with this in my purse because this is very convenient. And it does come with 20, so that's a really good thing. So that's why I end up getting this. And then the next thing that I end up getting were these razors to use for my legs. So I got 2 of these. They were buy one get one free, so I was like, I might as well just get it. I'm sad that they only had lavender and eucalyptus scented. I don't really like the smell of that combo, to be honest, but I was like, I need them, so I end up getting that. The next thing that I got was that white peach. Y'all, this smells like so good. I love the way this smells. Like, this smells really, really good. I'm not even a body wash girl like that, but this smells so good. So I was like, I gotta get it. And y'all, the thing about it is, and with these two, like, they had coupons on these, so that's why I end up saving so much on my trip. So with this was only $3.99, or was it $2.79? This is only $2.79 for this. Literally only $2 I paid for that. I end up getting those 2 spatulas, a spatula and a spoon. These were 50 cents on clearance. I seen them, so I was like, let me get them. So I got 2 of those. And then I end up getting the Secret Sweat and Odor Dry Spray. Hopefully it's good because your girl need it. And it says it goes on invisible, which is a plus. I stopped using like I think that's with the bar deodorant. I stopped using that because like every time I'm getting ready to go somewhere and I be changing my outfit, for some reason you'll see that big old stain, and I don't have time to be trying to like wipe all that down. So I end up getting that. How much I paid for that? I paid $3.99 for that. Yeah, I ended up paying $3.99 for that. And then last but not least, your girl got her hands on this. So I end up getting this. Hopefully it's good. And y'all remember how I was telling y'all earlier how it's $6 for this? So I end up only paying $3 because I guess they had a digital coupon for $2. So while I'm at the store, one thing I like to always do is just like go around and like just scan to make sure they got like a deal for it. So they had a coupon plus the 20%. But y'all, the packaging is like so cute. I like how it looks. It's so pretty. But it says this plant milk cleansing bar and it is 5 ounces. This is the only one that smells good. Like the other ones, I don't like how it smells. The only one that I might get next time is probably the turmeric. But other than that, the other ones do not smell good. So baby, I'm not getting it. Okay. So I end up getting that, and that's the last thing that I got, right? Yeah, that's the last thing that I got. And I spent, how much was my total? My total was $27 just for those items. And I had a $16 gift card, so I only end up spending only $5 out of pocket, which was like a really good deal. So yeah, I'm about to put these in a bag so I can bring them upstairs and stuff like that, except for the stove. But everything else mainly go upstairs since it's like hygiene products and stuff like that. So oh yeah, let me show y'all what I got from I gotta show y'all what I got from Bath and Body Works. I almost forgot. Oh, let me see how much I end up spending. So I end up spending $42. They having a semi-annual. To me, I don't feel like that's a semi-annual. I ain't even gonna hold y'all because that's how much I normally be spending on candles. Like, so I had went to the outlet first, but I didn't record. So when I had went to the outlet, they didn't have no champagne toast, which is my favorite candle. She was like, it's out of stock, or I can just pay $30 for the regular one. And I told her, girl, you crazy, I'm not paying all that. So I went to the mall and I ended up getting it. So the first thing I got was this pink paradise dragon fruit and hibiscus. This was for free that I got, so I didn't pay anything for this. This was like a birthday gift that you get for $10. You get to get something. So that go to champagne toast. She was like, if it don't come in this, then you'll be ending up paying more. How much are these candles anyways? I think I ended up spending like, let me see. Candles ended up being like $10. So I ended up getting this one. I'm gonna light this up tomorrow. It smells so good. I'm gonna leave it back in the case that these people put them in. The next one that I got was Pink Peach Blossom. And this is how it looks. It looks like this. It looks like that. It smells just like a peach. But I feel like the reason why I got this, because it's giving like summer, you know, peach and all that. It's giving like summer vibes. So I was like, let me get that one. And then the next one was another champagne toast. Because I told y'all I love that. What's that what I got? Yeah, I got 2 champagne toasts. And then the last one that I got was watermelon lemonade. So I don't know which one I want to light up this weekend, but yeah. It smells like a lemonade. Look at the packaging. Remember how I told y'all how the only thing that I could smell in my house, literally, even with the house clean and spotless, is only Bath and Body Works. They stuff do burn quick, but they're the only ones I smell. All the other stuff that you get from like TJ Maxx and stuff like that, I don't smell it in my house. Like, I don't smell it. It's like I gotta sit like literally right in front of it to smell it. Normally when I light up my candles and I go upstairs, I could smell my candles like when I'm coming back downstairs, but I don't smell them. So yeah, that was that. But I don't know what I'm gonna do with the ones that I already have. Like, I don't want to throw them away. I don't know. I might put them on a Facebook marketplace and probably like sell them, or probably just give them away for free. I just don't want to throw them in the trash, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know honestly like what I'm gonna do about that. But other than that, oh yeah, and I meant to tell y'all that I'm gonna go return the Juvia's Place, because my makeup artist, the one I had on my last video, my makeup artist was telling me like it's just too bright for my face. So what I'm gonna go do is go get the other numbers that they have whenever I make it to Ulta. I don't know when I will, but yeah, she was like, that's not really your face reflection. So she was like, just get something else. So I was like, okay girl, listen. Yeah, so Olipop is a probiotic drink. No wonder it tastes like that. I thought it was like a real life soda, but no wonder it has that taste to it. So it has 5 grams of sugar though. Okay, yeah, it's the peaches and creams. I'm gonna get this drink probably like a 6 out of 10 or so. It's not nasty, but probiotic drinks are supposed to help with your digestive system. So that's probably why, but cheers, cheers, cheers. My hair for Janae, and I still don't know what kind of outfit I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna see again on TikTok and see what do they wear. I mean, what the girls are wearing, because like the last 2 shows that she had, what people were showing, they was just showing like how she don't have no DJ in between. But I want to see like, what did y'all wear? Like, I want to look cute. I think my hair gonna end up being, I think I'm gonna have to wear my real hair, because I really want to get this kind of style for my hair. I want to get this kind of, these braids and then the long bundles in the back, but I'm still debating on that. But I really want to get that. Like, I want to try different stuff. I don't want to just keep getting like plaits. Even though it's given that season, I just want to try something different for the meantime. Then I'm gonna go back to wearing plaits, but for now I want to try something different, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, the lady that did my hair for Thailand said she's coming on the 6th through the 7th, so that might be my hairstyle for Chris Brown. But I don't know, I think I'm gonna just have to wear my hair in a ponytail for Janae, to be honest. Even though I never tried to wear it like that, but I think I'm gonna probably just wear my hair like that for Janae. But by this week I gotta order my outfit. Not this week, I don't have to, because Pretty Little Thing don't take too long to ship. But I still want to order my outfit. Like, I want to look cute for Janae, give like her vibes and look earthy, you know. Just giving a rouse. So this is how my makeup came out, and this is the new lipstick that I got from Ulta, but it's MAC. So I'm gonna tag the name of the MAC lipstick in the description below. But yeah, I gotta do an introduction. All right, so we at Longhorn. Let me show you how my hair looks. Her? She said, I don't know if I even had Longhorn before. I don't know if I did or if I didn't. I'm not sure. Hello. Where's she at? Yeah, no, because she sent us to the wrong place. She sent us to the wrong Longhorn. It was your fault. It was her fault.
Who drives?
But she planned the event. She planned the event, so you sent everybody to ask.
To pick a place. Oh. So you got.
I can do the 9.
What size does it include? Is it like mashed potatoes? What does it include, like for the side, for the New York?
So it comes with 2 sides. So these sides come with it. These sides are upcharged.
All I gotta do is basically finish working on my business and just get ready for the week. Like, I have goals and everything. I'm going to the library most likely tomorrow to go work on stuff for my business, and that's about it. But I'm gonna see y'all later. I really don't know what I'm getting from Ikea. I don't even know if I'm gonna vlog inside Ikea, because I honestly don't know what I'm getting inside there. So I'm gonna just see y'all probably once I get home. Let me plant my phone. It's renewed. Let me see what's in my likes. Everything is sold out that I want. They had this like shoe thing you could put under your bed. This, let me see if I got a picture. Something like this they had, but honestly I don't even see it, so I don't know what else to get, you know what I'm saying, to like put. But I'm trying to see like if I see something else that I want to put. Y'all, it's just be so much people walking around. I gotta like make sure they just walking around my car. This is the vase that I wanted, but I'm not even gonna get it no more. I didn't even know it was $30. Let me see if y'all can see a picture. But y'all, that thing cost $40. So once I use that little $10 they gave me, that's too much money. Look at these. These are so cute for my baby room. I think I might get me something like that. I like this one, but y'all look, this one is on clearance too. This one, but then I like the pink one right here. That's cute. It's giving the vibes. I wonder, is it LED? Let me see. Oh yeah, so it is LED right there. So it's LED. I'm trying to see if I see something else. So pretty. Look at these lights. These are so cute. Like very pretty, especially this one that's right here. That's cute.
I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think you through some magic and yeah, like you did it. Yeah.
I don't know, but that's just my opinion. The movie wasn't bad though, but I don't know. I just feel like we already know what happens. You already know like how it's gonna end or whatever. You know you're gonna always know like they're gonna catch the person, but I don't know. I just feel like it could have been more longer, in my opinion. But I gotta understand too, like these people are getting older. Like I think the first one came out in 1990s, if I'm not mistaken.